Let me ask you a question. If I showed you a website where you could make money daily in Nigeria without selling anything, without investing money, and without any special skills, would you try it? Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. But wait, before you get too excited, this is not one of those get rich quick scams. This is something real, something simple, and something anyone can start today, even with just a smartphone. And welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I show you legit ways to make money online in Nigeria. And today we're talking about a platform called GPTO, a website that actually pays Nigerians in Naira for completing small online tasks. No VPN, no PayPal stress, no international restrictions, just simple work for real money. What is GPTO? Now let's break it down in simple terms. GPTO means get paid to. So basically, companies need people to test their apps, click on ads, watch videos, engage with content. Instead of doing it themselves, they pay platforms like GPTO, and GPTO pays you to do those tasks. So you're basically earning money for doing things you already do every day on your phone. Now, here's the truth nobody tells you. Most Nigerians try GPT websites and fail. Why? Because many sites don't support Nigeria, some don't pay, others require PayPal, which is stressful here. That's why a lot of people give up and say online money is a scam. But the problem is not online money. The problem is using the wrong platforms. This is where GPTO stands out. It was built specifically for Nigerians. That means payments are in Naira. You can withdraw to your local bank, no VPN needed, tasks are tailored for Nigerians, and most importantly, people are actually getting paid. Let me show you exactly how to get started. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Step 2, enter your username, email, and password. Step 3, verify your email, and that's it. Your account is ready. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard with all the earning options. Now, this is the most important part, how you actually make money. 1. Offer walls, main money method. If you want to make serious money on GPTO, focus here. Offerers pay you to download apps, sign up on websites, complete surveys. Some tasks can pay hundreds or even thousands of Naira. Pro tip, always complete tasks fully or you won't get paid. 2. Short links. This one is super easy. You click a link, wait a few seconds and earn money. It's small, but if you do many, it adds up. 3. Pay to click, PTC. You simply visit a website for a few seconds and get paid. No stress, just click and earn. 4. Daily tasks. These include following pages, subscribing to channels, engaging with posts, very simple and beginner friendly. 5. Referral program. Big money secret. Now let me show you where the real money is: referrals. When you invite people, you earn a percentage of what they make. So imagine you have 10 people working under you, 50 people, 100 people. You can start earning passively even while sleeping. Withdrawal process. Once you have earned money, withdrawing is simple. You can withdraw directly to your Nigerian bank account or convert to airtime. And payments are usually processed within 24 hours. Let's be real for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't make millions overnight, but you can earn daily pocket money, pay small bills, build consistent side income if you stay consistent. Strategies to maximize earnings. If you want to actually make good money from this, do this. Focus on high-paying offers, work daily, Consistency beats everything. Use referrals. Check the site every day for new tasks. Join their community, Telegram updates. Treat it like a routine, not a gamble. So, if you've been looking for a legit way to make money online in Nigeria, this is one of the easiest places to start. Click the link in the description and sign up on GPTO.ng. Try it for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.